Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Python 3. 10 Plus is installed and added to Path. That ensures the interpreter is discoverable. Open VS Code and install the official Python extension so linting, formatting, and the debugger work. Create a project folder, then run Python mvenv. Venv to isolate dependencies. Once done, activate the virtual environment in the integrated terminal so pip installs target this project. Make sure VS Code selects the venv interpreter in the status bar so extensions use the right Python. You now wire up tooling, choose the venv interpreter from the status bar so code run and debug commands use the correct Python. Install project packages with pip install R requirements. TXT or add frameworks like Flask and test tools like PyTest, this populates your venv. Configure linters and formatters, Pylint, Flake 8, Black, or Rough, and set them in settings. JSON so saving formats automatically. Finally, create a launch. JSON for breakpoints and step-through debugging. Once set, run a debug session to validate. You finish by executing and testing. Run scripts with run Python file, or start the debugger to step through logic, passing arguments in the integrated terminal when needed. Write unit tests and run PyTest. Integrate coverage and the test explorer to track results. If something breaks, first verify the selected interpreter and that the virtualenv is active in the terminal. Also check path, review the Python extension output and VS Code logs, and restart the window. These steps usually resolve common environment or extension issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.